Here, we'll show you how to place components from the Components panel using integrated libraries. Ensure the schematic is the active document. Open the Components panel and select the Miscellaneous Connectors library from the drop-down list. Search for the header 20x2 component. Right-click and select Place. Before placing the component, hit the Tab key to pause placement and open the Properties panel. In the Properties panel, change the reference designator to J1. Hit Enter to continue with the part placement. While in placement mode, pressing the spacebar will rotate the part counterclockwise by 90 degrees, while Shift spacebar will rotate the part clockwise 90 degrees. Pressing the X and Y keys will flip the part in the X and Y axis, respectively. Left-click anywhere in the schematic to place the part. With the first part placed, a second part is now available on our cursor. Place 3 more parts. Notice that the reference designator is incremented automatically. To exit placement mode, right-click or press the Escape key. Delete the 3 additional parts that were just placed, keeping only J4. Open the Components panel again. From the drop-down, select the WCT library. Search for and place 2 capacitors using the search criteria. Save the schematic. Open and ensure the relay_IO schematic is the active document. The manufacturer part search panel will be used to place components on this sheet. To use this panel, Altium Designer needs to be connected to the Altium Content Vault. Ensure that you're signed in to your Altium user account. Select Preferences in the upper right corner of Altium Designer. Open the Data Management page, followed by the Servers page. Expand the Known Servers option. Ensure that Automatically Connect Altium Content Vault is enabled, and that the On option is also enabled. Ensure that the word Connected is visible. If connected to an Altium 365 workspace, the workspaces available will be listed here as well. Close the preferences by selecting OK. Placing components from the manufacturer part search panel allows for the view of the supplier information prior to placement. Open the manufacturer part search panel using the panel's button. With the relay_IO schematic open, search for a component by typing in the upper main field of the manufacturer part search panel as shown, and pressing Enter. In the search results, right-click the name of the component and select Place. Back in the Components panel, place another component from the WCT library. Use the search bar or navigate to the component to find it. This is a multi-part component, as indicated by the part information below the symbol preview. A multi-part component is represented by multiple schematic symbols. Expand the Models area, if necessary, to see this. Select Part A. Right-click to start the placement. During placement, press the Tab key to change the designator to Q1. Hit Enter and place the component. Once Part A is placed, Part B will automatically appear on the cursor. Place that part as well. This is considered a multi-part component that is represented by more than one schematic symbol. Right-click to end the command. Search and place the remaining components for the relay_IO schematic document from the WCT integrated library found in the Components panel. Res1K_0805. LED_red0603. Diode 1N4148. Anderson-1 pin black_PCB_right. Anderson 1 pin red_PCB_right. Save the relay_IO schematic. We've walked through all the steps to place components from integrated libraries using the Components panel.